Let's start a jet helicopter. Well, here we go. Power on, everything starts coming alive. So, straight back here, we're going to check the fuel pressure up. Fuel pressure pump 2, up. Got this light flashing here. Now, that's a problem if you leave it flashing too long, because that means there's power being sucked from the battery. And if you leave it too late, there'll not be enough power in it to fire up the engine and suck enough cold air in, and you'll blow the engine up, cost you about £250,000 for a reconditioned engine. So, pump in, check the buttons, make sure all the emergency lights work, pull that out just so we know what we're doing, and it keeps it a bit quieter. Turn the squawk box off, check everything. We're going to press this button here, and we're going to start putting some compressed air into the engine. We're going to get that up to 15%. So here we go. Boom! We're going to get that to 15% there. So there we are. And then back here, we're going to add some fuel. But I'm going to keep my finger on this button as well, because if it goes up too much, too quickly, we can end up with 900 odd degrees and we'll end up blowing the engine up. So, we hold this until the gas producer gets to round about 60%. Another 5 or 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We can let go. So what's happening now is, if we look here, the gas producer's at 60%. Temperatures in the turbo outlet's fine. We're going to wait now 60 seconds. And at 60 seconds, we can then turn this button on here. That button there is the generator. As soon as that button goes on, I start feeling an awful lot better, because the generator then is powering the battery. At the moment, that light there is on permanently. We've only got a certain amount of time for that light. Once we took too much power out of the battery, if we don't turn the generator on, it will go boom! So, we start looking at everything, we start checking everything. We can stick 415 foot there, because that's how high we are above sea level. While we wait another 15-20 seconds, we're going to be checking all the dials. We can then check radios. We'll put them on shortly when we turn the generator on. So, another 10 seconds, and then I can then take this throttle here. So I'm going to grab it with this hand here, Sarah, down here, and then I'm going to move that to 70%. And at 70%, we're going to turn the magic switch on, which is this one here. 3, 2, 1, boom! Hooray! If you look here, the light's gone off. That means now the battery's charging and your arc can start working again now.